Good morning, students. Mrs. Loy here with a quick message about revisions. So as you notice, I've included a really important quote on this page about how when we're writing, we're really shoveling sand into a bucket in order to create a sandcastle, something beautiful on the back end. So I can't stress to you guys how important revisions are to the writing process. And so you're getting your first opportunity today to create some revisions to your introductory paragraphs for your argumentative essay. Ultimately, we want every step along the way to become a summative component to your grade. And so we want everything that you're submitting to be the best work that you can do. So revisions are a big part of that process. They help us convey our message a lot better to our reader, to let our reader know what we're setting out to accomplish. We want to make sure that our claim statement matches up with everything that we have laid out along the way. So I would encourage you guys that as you start your revisions to go back and reread, take a look at your claim statement. Does it match up to everything that you provided? And taking a look at the two examples that I've given you today, using those as really a guide for what works and what doesn't work. Because again, we want to really get our message conveyed to the reader of what we're going to be setting out to accomplish. This is a skill that you're going to use all in high school and going into college. Speaking from my own experience, as a college student right now, as a graduate student, I've been writing papers right along with you. And so for me, I make revisions along the way. Like as I write a paragraph, I might go back and make some revisions within that paragraph. And then I also go back at the end, at the completion of my paper, and make revisions. So this is a skill that you're going to have for years and years to come. And that's going to be really, really good for you. So I hope that you enjoy your revision process today. And I look forward to reading the new introductions later this week. Take care.